knowing what an Excel table is, for me, it's one of the most important things that an Excel user needs to know. So an Excel table is not just a range of information with borders around. When we have an Excel table, so pay attention here to the ribbon at the top, okay? Those are the tabs there. If I click on this range that is in fact a table, I get an extra one. I get a table design tab there that wasn't there before here. This is one of the things that tells me that this information here is included in an Excel table. Another thing that I can check is here at the bottom, we can see there's a little thingy here, there. You see this little corner here? It's another indicator that we are working with an Excel table.